Hey guys, today we're checking out the GTheos Captain 300 wireless Bluetooth headset, a budget-friendly gaming headset that's currently going for around $30 on Amazon. Usually, these retail for $40 to $50, so this is a steal right now. But is it actually any good? Let's find out. Alright, first up, here's what you get in the box. The headset itself, USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm aux cable for wired use, a plug-in mic for noise-canceling voice chat, and a USB receiver for low latency wireless on PC. Right off the bat, I love that you get both Bluetooth and wired options. Flexibility is always a plus. The design is pretty sleek, nothing too flashy, but you do get an RGB ring light around the ear cups, which is a nice touch if you're into that aesthetic. Button layout is solid. You've got on-headset volume and playback controls, which is huge for gamers, especially if you don't want to mess with system settings in the middle of a match. The padding, comfortable, about the same level as my old Logitech G432, but this one's lighter, which I definitely noticed during long sessions. Setup is plug and play. If you're on PC, just pop in the USB receiver, no drivers or software needed. You can connect via Bluetooth, but I'd strongly recommend using the dongle for gaming. Audio's clear, latency is lower, and I didn't notice any delay at all. For console or mobile, Bluetooth is recommended. Let's talk performance. I tested this out in some CSGO and Fortnite, and honestly, the directional sound is impressive for a $30 headset. Bass is punchy. You feel those explosions, and footsteps, crisp. It's a huge win in my book. Mic test, it's solid. It's got a built-in noise cancellation, so it won't pick up your background chaos and the kids screaming. Your squad will hear you just fine. For this test, I compared it to my Logitech G432 and even my Bose QC headset. And sure, the Bose wins in terms of clarity and noise canceling, but for the price, the Captain 300 is unbeatable. Final thoughts? For casual and even intermediate gamers, this headset punches way above its weight. Lightweight, good sound, solid mic, and multiple connection options. I'm actually retiring my wired Logitech for this one, so that should tell you something. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. It really helps. If you want to pick up the GTheos Captain 300, I've got a link down below. It's an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission, but it won't cost you anything extra. Appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.